Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to rotate the model. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select a custom cabinet. Click Customize in the floating window. Enter the Customization tool page. Part 1. Rotate the model. At the top, switch to Select Cabinet. Then select the cabinet. Select Rotate in the switch control. After switching, the corresponding X/Y/Z axis direction can be rotated 360 degrees. Part 2. Limit cabinet rotation to the Z-axis. Move the mouse to the avatar in the upper right corner. Select Preferences. In the pop-up floating window, set Customize. Rotate around axis to off. Then click the Close button in the upper right corner to auto-save it. When the Rotate around axis is turned off, the rotation arrows will not appear when the model is selected, and the angle input box along the X/Y axis of the model will be disabled on the parameter panel. However, the model can still be rotated along the Z-axis by 3D, Move and Rotate, or inputting the Z-axis angle on the parameter panel. That's all. Thanks for watching.